Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cherie, and on this channel I share all things thrifting, home decor, and baking. On this video, I'm going to show you how we are storing our wheat. As a reminder, I would love for you to subscribe and to like this video, so let's get to it. Growing up in our church, we believe the concept of, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. And our church leaders have always encouraged families to have a good supply of food storage in case of emergencies. We are fortunate to live near one of our church's home storage centers. The home storage centers help people build a basic supply of food for their longer-term home storage needs. While on this trip, my husband and I picked up 2 25-pound bags of hard white and hard red wheat. They have various items such as rolled oats, dried fruit and vegetables, dried milk, beans, many items, and we have quite a few of them in our home. A couple weeks later, we went to a store called Winco, and I was really impressed with their bulk items that they had in their store. And there we found our food grade 5-gallon buckets. My husband and I went out shopping this morning, and while we were out, we found these food grade 5-gallon buckets to put my hard white and my hard red wheat in. So we're gonna give these a clean and a little scrubbing, because you never know what's been in them, who's been touching them, and that's gross. Now we'll let the sun do its job and dry them for us.
What?
You had your whole body on. That. I thought the whole thing came off.
No, it seals on, and that's why it's so hard. See the dust?
Oh, yeah. So clean and pretty. Whoever thought I would be excited about wheat? So here we have hard red wheat and hard white wheat. They make me so happy. Last weekend when my husband and I were out shopping, we stopped at a store called Natural Grocers. We found this in Utah when we were on our anniversary trip, and then we found out that it's here in Vegas as well. So we also got some whole barley, and so I'm excited to try something out with this. I also want to start getting some spelt and what's the other one? Kamut is what I believe it's pronounced, how I believe it's pronounced. Because I'm seeing lots of bread recipes with kamut and spelt. So I want to try those out as well. So as you can see, I did go back to the store and secured the spelt and kamut. And here I am milling some of my hard white wheat and kamut to make homemade Hawaiian rolls using my fresh milled flour. This recipe was really easy to follow, and I even made some mistakes along the way, and they still rose beautifully and tasted amazing. If you would like to know how I made these rolls, comment below, and maybe they will be a part of a future video.